Individually, Nigerians too will have an opportunity.
Everyone is talking about Dangote Refinery listed on the Nigerian Exchange Group.
Dangote Refinery stores.
Dangote's Refinery.
Buying the Dangote shares.
But the real story started with this table. This table ranks how safe companies are for investors. You see, the higher you are on this table, the safer the investment. But in August 2024, Dangote Industries Limited fell from AA to B+.
The recent downgrade of Dangote Industries by Fitch Ratings has sent shockwaves through the Nigerian business and financial landscape.
According to Fitch Ratings, it means that the biggest refinery project in Africa might be too risky to invest in, and they listed several reasons why. The refinery cost about $20 billion to build. Dangote Industries had large loans, including financing involving the NNPC. If the refinery didn't generate enough cash quickly, the company might have to restructure its debt, and credit rating agencies hate that risk. The refinery was designed to process 650,000 barrels of crude oil per day, but early production levels were much lower, and for investors, that meant profit could take longer to arrive. The Nigerian naira lost a large amount of value in 2023 and 2024. Much of the company's debt is in dollars. The devaluation of the naira made repayment of the debt more expensive. Fitch worried that profit might drop in the short term because the refinery startup costs were high, repaying the debt has become more expensive, and now the naira is devalued, which goes ahead to add more risk. But that was not the end of the story, because over the next 2 years, Dangote started quietly addressing every single concern one by one. So in 2025, Dangote Industries secured a $4 billion syndicated loan led by Afrexim Bank. That refinancing helped stabilize the company's debt structure and extended the repayment timelines, which reduced the immediate pressure that Fitch had warned about. Then the biggest milestone happened. On February 11th, 2026, Dangote Refinery reached its full capacity, 650,000 barrels of crude per day. It was such a big moment that Femi Otedola posted about it on Instagram. The refinery could finally start generating the scale of revenue it was built for, and in less than 2 weeks,
Individually, Nigerians too will have an opportunity in the next, I don't know, but I think in the next maybe maximum 4 or 5 months, they will actually be option to buy their shares.
Dangote also introduced a major change.
And like what I promised before, people will have a choice either to get their dividend in naira or to get their dividends in dollars.
Investors could potentially invest in either naira or dollar. This gives investors protection if the naira weakens again. Other companies in the group like Dangote Cement and Dangote Sugar Refinery recorded strong profit in 2025. In fact, in March 2025, Dangote Cement PLC was considered the highest dividend-paying company in Nigeria's corporate history. This is the most important part. Fitch raised concerns about the refinery. Dangote simply kept building, but instead of waiting for Fitch to upgrade the rating, Dangote simply stopped using Fitch rating services. Let me know what you think about investing in Dangote.